Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to open a file in Penpot. Okay, so before you can open a file in Penpot, you first need to import it to your dashboard. As you can see here, I have these files: the Penpot design system, circum icons, prime icons, material designs. Okay, now if you're wondering how I added it, well, I just went over here at the very bottom. We have here libraries and templates. Just click on the libraries right here and download what you need. Okay, and once done, go ahead over to a project where you wanted the file to be imported. Let's say I'm going to go ahead and upload circum icons right here to this sample project. Okay, so I'm just going to click on the sample project, and then I'm going to click on the three dots. Now import Penpot files. There you go. Double click, continue. Wait for it, accept. Now we have the circum icons right here, and it's now ready to be opened. Now, to open a file, you have two ways, okay? Either you open it up in a new tab, okay? So to open it up in a new tab, just click on all three dots. Now click on open file in a new tab. There you go. Wait for it, and here we have the file. The other option is just by double clicking on the file itself. Okay, double click. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, you have it. All right. Now, when you go ahead over to assets right here and go to manage libraries, you should be able to see the uploaded files from here. If you want to include it in your project, just click on the plus sign like so, and it will be added right here at the bottom left. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.